To send a file to Miss Wiley to be printed, you will need to click on this export button over here. When you click on this, you need to make sure that this button that says everything in the design is clicked. If for some reason you're just clicked on part of your design and this is on, I will only get part of your design. I want you to download that .stl file. That's the file type we need. It tells you it's preparing it for export. You can change the name here if you want to. It might be nice if you put your name as it. It'll save me a little bit of time. If you don't, that's okay too. And you'll see that it's downloaded down here. Now you need to send this file as an attachment to an email. So click on Compose, because that's how we write emails. And this paper clip right down here, this is how you're going to attach any file that you want to send to somebody over email. I happen to know that my files go to desktop. Yours will likely go to downloads, and that's where you'll be able to find the file. If you can't remember the name of your file, just look down here and that will remind you. I'm going to click on that and say open. You'll see it starting to load here. In the subject line, you need to tell me the color you want it to print. And then you're going to send it to me. If you type in TWYLIE, I come up right away. Or you can type in my first or last name and pick me out of the list. When you do that, you'll hit send, and that's all you have to do.